Still in our maiden meeting, I, the President General, highlighted in my opening key innovations for the prosperity and the harmony of our community. I suggested the following. 1. The need for population census in order to discover our numerical strength and foster the spirit of neighborhoodness. The urgent need for electric transformer that was given to us by our Honorable Hodnole Naji, representing Nkanu East and West in the Federal House of Representatives in Abuja. 3. I also emphasize on the need to deck the town hall in order to put the hall into effective use. Creation of zoning partitions into administrative zones for easier administration. Effective neighborhood security for the protection of lives and properties. The rehabilitation and the construction of the road leading to Asu River in order to ease vehicular movement for the evacuation of sand. This in turn will be of economic significance to our community. 7th, creation of 8 grades in order to promote oneness and love. 8, a central youth wing to harness the prowess and the prospects of our teeming population. Creation of new streets and naming such streets after prominent sons and daughters of our community. Such persons will be levied a sum of money for the recognition bestowed on them. 10th, the need to redesign the Ogbeke market by way of planting trees to demarcate the market from the nearby school. The need for thanksgiving in church for God's immense blessings to our town. The town union also advised the Igwe to host an ofala, which he agreed to do at his convenience, and they invite his resourceful friends and crowned chiefs as a way of raising funds for the community union and for the town union and the community at large. 12th, the hosting of annual general return event of all indigenous of Ogbeke Ukuruta Autonomous Community